people? You know we had to drop another video for you guys today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the 5 things us 8th generation owners hate about our SRs. Because I know we love them and all, but there's definitely things about them we don't love. I'm going to show you guys the things I don't love about my Civic SR. Let's get into it, guys. So first thing, guys, I really don't like about the 8th generation Civic SR. It's the engine compartment. Talk about uncomfortable. The motor's half covered. Makes it super hard to reach back here for your header. I don't even know what my header looks like anymore. But yeah, guys, this is one thing that will make it a bit uncomfortable if you do plan on modifying your SI, plan on reaching the headers, bolts and stuff like that, anything back here, or even just as simple as wanting to change a coil, spark plugs, or anything. You have to get rid of this first. As you can see, it's just hidden back here, so it's just kind of how it works. That's definitely one thing I don't like about this car. Another thing, guys, that I don't like about my SI is my spaceship dash. Shit's huge. Mine being a coupe, I barely have space already, and that's taken up by the dash. But still kind of goes hard. Yeah, it's a little something that people definitely criticize on these cars. The dash, you could just tell it's huge. Windshield's huge too. Oxidization is definitely another issue with these cars, guys. See, I'm not dealing with that problem. Oh, that's crazy. That's all I get for being funny. I'm not dealing with that problem right now, but the car was definitely painted before. As you can see, well, right now, the majority of them for a steel price or a decent price is most likely going to be faded unless it's repainted. But yeah, guys, that's another thing SI owners hate about their cars. Now, guys, another thing that we do hate when dailying these cars, at least, this car does not want to be driven cold whatsoever. And I know you're supposed to warm the cars up before you want to drive it in general. The car acts up terribly when it's cold. Jerky, jittery, just you name it. It'll have you tweaking on the gas pedal. That's only a pain when, you know what I mean, you daily the car, you turn it on very early in the morning or stuff like that, you know what I mean? Finally, guys, the thing we most hate about our 8th generation SRs is the fact that we don't have the 24 under the hood. I know us 8th gen owners wish we had the little extra pep with the 24 and the extra bit of torque. The K20 is an amazing choice. Being 2.0 is super economical, and the car is still fun. It has its little power and stuff, but I know for a fact we wish we had the K24. It's just a whole different, you know what I mean? And that's why mostly everybody goes out and throws the K24 if they ever get the chance. Now, this was a quick video, guys, not much thought into it, but these are definitely the things that us 8th gen Civic SR owners hate about our cars. Just stay tuned for part 2, showing you the things I most love about the 8th gen.